What's up, all you old souls? It's Brad. It's getting to be the end of summer. And my car is not painted yet. It's getting there though. We're gonna prime some more stuff this weekend. So slowly but surely, I'm getting there. Also, it's almost time to get cold here in Nebraska. I've got to grow out the hair, got to grow out the beard, because I work outside. So you might see this like get all crazy and wild and whatnot. Don't worry, I'm okay. I'm just preparing for winter. But on my Instagram the other day, I highlighted my little bezel switches that control the auxiliary lights, the cruise control, the defrost, and your hazards. All those lights went out. I'm going to kind of show you guys how to change those because it's kind of iffy. You're like, I don't want to break anything, this or that. It's kind of hard to do if you haven't ever done it before, but you guys should be able to watch this and see how it goes from here, and then you guys can do it for yourself. Also, they have aftermarket LEDs for these now. I'll link everything in the description below, but let's get to this. All right, guys, so here it is out of the car. Super easy to remove. There's only 2 screws right here that you have to get out, and then you have to unplug 1, 2, 3, 4 harnesses, and it should just pop right out. I'm not going to show you that. It's super easy. Just don't rip if you haven't unplugged these things yet. So that's all you have to do there. But these are kind of iffy. There's one little tab right there. There's another little tab over here on this side. So that's all you got to do to get those out. I'm going to put the camera down and we're going to get this guy out. You're just going to push on these back here and they should pop right out like that. So you can see there, they're out. You probably want to clean on the inside here just to get all whatever. I got to clean mine on the inside there. But here is your switch. Defrost and emergency lights. So these guys are a little harder to get out. I'll show you how to do it, but you kind of have to use a little bit of force, and there are some things you have to do to get these out, but don't worry, they will eventually come out, but I'll show you guys. So let's do that now. Okay, so you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these little nubs that you have to hit them all at the same time, and you have to press downward if you're holding it like this, and this whole thing should just come out of this little guy. So I'm going to try and do that on camera here, but we'll see. I usually have to press this up against my body in order to get it out. So, oh, there. See, it's really easy. It just comes right out, just like that. And there is your switch. Let's get this one out. Oh, this one's broke. Well, that's great. So there you go. I've got an extra one of these, so I'll probably swap it out. So I don't really want that in my car, just because I'll know about it, and that's a bummer. So, all right, let's go with this one. We'll save this one for later because I'm going to put the new ones back in. All right, so saving that one. That one can go back in there. Is that a little scratch? Actually, I think it's something caught in there, so we'll just remove that. But here's what you're left with. This is the little housing that goes right in there that these go into. So essentially, you have 3 things that kind of come out of this little area here. So that's all you're dealing with. So let's see, let's move that out of the way. That's our new one. So how you get these guys out, well, that one doesn't even have one in it either. That's probably why it doesn't work, because there's no light bulb in there. All right, I'll show you. So what you're gonna need is a skinny flathead screwdriver, like so, like that, and some little tweezers or something like this, because what you have to do is get it in here and then you have to twist it. And if you have large fingers, this is going to be kind of difficult. So all you guys with large fingers, I don't know what to say. I'm sorry, but it's going to be kind of a pain in the butt. Luckily, I have small fingers. So what you'll see, hopefully this is in focus, is there is one light here and one light here. And what you have to do is you have to unscrew it like so, and then they should come out like so, like that. That's all you have to do. And here's your two little light bulbs. Now, it's harder if this is in the off position, because there's this little bar right here, so you can't really get in there as easy. So if you have it on, it should give you enough room to get your little tweezers or your finger or whatever you're going to use to get it in there. But kind of the same thing that goes. First, you just put it back in there somehow without losing it, and get it back in place. And then you take your screwdriver and you twist them back in. Sometimes they don't want to go in too. You got to catch the little nub, but there. That one went in, and that one went in. So that's how you change those light bulbs, guys. It's super easy. Then all you do, plop them back in the correct hole. These little nubs will catch there, but we're gonna do this one because I got a broken tab right there, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. Then you get the other one in here after you put a new light bulb in, which I'll do really quick. Okay, once you get it back in, you just give it a little twist there. Throw this guy back in here, like so. And then all you do here, you plug it back in like so. Make sure it's all nice and tight. And you should have lights again. For reals, guys, it is that easy. You got your light bulbs if you need to order some more. Literally a screwdriver, some little tweezers, and that's all you got to do to get these light bulbs in there. Whew, oh boy, it is humid AF here, folks. I've been out in the garage for like a half hour filming this little thing, but I'm sweating and I need to go inside because I don't like being hot and sweaty. But this is super easy to do. There's a website, superbrightleds.com. You can order these. These are T3 bulbs. They come with the little housing or whatever this is, so you don't have to switch out the actual light bulbs. They can't make it any more easy. They are kind of expensive though. For one little LED is like $1.47. But to change 1, 2, 3, 4 bulbs, it's like $5 with, I think, $1.47 shipping. It's not that bad. But yeah, if your lights aren't working or for whatever reason, start here. That's a good point because I have all of these switches here, right there. Well, let's see. All of these guys. These are all the light bulbs from them, and I only had 4 ones that were working out of like 4 of these whole bezel units. So I think they're just old and you have to replace them sometime. But hopefully this video helps. More videos to come with the painting of the Del Sol. I got a whole bunch of little odds and ends still to paint, and then we're going to shoot the body. So that'll be good. Hoping before it gets cold we can have this guy completely done so I can spend the winter wet sanding, polishing, buffing, ceramic coating, all that fun stuff while it's cold, and I can do it inside the garage here. So that's kind of the plan. I hope this vlog helped again. I didn't really see any how-tos. Had to ask some people on Instagram. Reddit is always a great resource, so I'm super active on there. But yeah, check you later, guys. Peace.